fresh.
Eggman's not a doctor. I gotta spread the word. In song!
Back to school, boy. You're a fool, boy. Academia can be cruel, boy. So true.
What a miserable guy.
So blue.
Everyone sing along.
All right.
The prosperity song's no longer a guy.
No way.
He breathes and cries. He was once near the lot.
So
Now he's Mr. Crockett.
You don't have a clue what you're doing, Brad. Right now. I'll double my burger, savage style.
I'll get right on that. And I mean that double sarcastically. Savage style.
How dare you? I want you all out.
You and what doctorate?
Ooh, you better write yourself a prescription for that sick burn. Oh, wait! You can't.
I'm gonna have to ask you to leave.
You gotta be kidding me! You punch! This is not over.
I can't believe Eggman isn't a doctor.
When did that happen? We should sing and dance about it!
Learn to sing us.
Didn't we just throw you out, Mr. Eggman?
You're out yet. I have never been this embarrassed. Who the devil do they think they are?
I'm sure it wasn't that bad, boss.
Sonic, call me Mr. Does he have any idea that call me that is? You know what? What's the point? What is there to be mad about?
Perhaps you can go back to school and get the last 2 credits.
Might as well get that done with. I can finally take Professor Kister's class. He's the only person I know that can be feared and respected.
Feared and respected? You should take classes from him.
They call him. Think I've heard of. He'll pick one poor person to be his guard and humiliate him now the whole semester. I can't wait to see what is. Boy. What? I forgot I turned down the alarm. Come on. Did I do that?
Mr. Eggman, can you recite the facts of the Battle of Admiral Doom versus Captain Hero?
What? We're supposed to read something.
I see. You thought there was going to be no work on the first day?
Oh, no. Sorry for asking a dumb question, because,
What you are, Mr. Eggman, is a goat. Would you like a carrot, goat boy?
Shut up, people!
I'm bored.
I'm chairman of the board.
We'll have plenty of time to figure out what to do during Eggman's failure montage.
What?
A failure montage. Right here, we're watching things happen now. Exposition fromage. So take the brakes off, don't miss key plot points now. A montage scene, yeah. We cut between, yeah. Our show short, so we'll cut some corners now. Eggman is busy. As such, Team Sonic can goof around since school is back. Eggman is less likely to scream attack.
Give me that back, Rick! I was creative with the shoebox, and I still flunked. I mean, what is it I'm not getting?
That's why I made mine out of evil popsicle sticks.
David! Your pizza pockets exploded cheese all over the microwave!
Mom, you're interrupting my study group.
Don't you get fresh with me, young man!
Can we get started? I've highlighted the important stuff on the textbook.
Nicely done. So, did everyone check the bulletin board to see what you have to steal for lab day?
All I need to steal is a rubber gasket. It should be easy. It's like nothing can go wrong with it. Come on, you fool. I got your rubber gasket. Try and take it away from me.
Come on, gang. We have to stop Eggman from doing his homework or something. I don't care.
Come on, guys. Stop it. Stop it. Stop it, I said. When you please.
Can we go back to drag racing? Catching rings is boring.
Poor Eggman. Some people just aren't naturals.
This rudimentary doomsday device built from parts you stole is almost complete. All that is missing is a tiny rubber gasket, without which this is a glorified paperweight. Now, Mr. Eggman, if you would be so kind, install the gasket you stole.
Professor, there's been a...
I sincerely doubt it. Seeing as though this was a class project, and Goat Boy was unable to accomplish the simple task with which he was charged, you shall all fail the assignment.
Oh, thanks a lot. You're out of the study group.
I found pizza in my hat earlier.
Mr. Eggman, your only hope to complete this course now is to get an A on the final.
Can this be over already, for Pete's sake?
Silly Eggman. Rings are for hedgehogs.
Ah! Who could think of such a horrible thing?
What's wrong, sir?
It's a final. I know I'm just gonna fail. Wait, let me think.
That's your what now?
There is some way to break into this school and steal all the answers. Oh, no, I didn't. I think of that. Here we go. Will you be careful? I get this. Pull me up, robots. This is not Looney Tunes.
Welcome to your final exam. You entered this classroom 87 weeks ago with heads full of mush, and if you pass this test, you will leave here villains. Begin.
I'm going to pass this exam.
I've completed grading your papers, Mr. Eggman.
Yes, Professor.
You posit on your answer sheet that the most efficient power source for launching a planet off its gravitational axis is C, a tomato.
Oh, come on. Why not? Don't everybody want to do something creative?
And that a nuclear ion grid can be best penetrated by B, a house fern?
Well, it has to do with the size of the house. Sometimes it can be imitated. You ever seen Little Shop of House Ferns?
What is far more likely is that you stole the fake answer sheet I planted in this desk drawer, and you cheated.
Me? Cheated? Oh, no. Of course not, Professor. That would be evil.
Precisely. And this is a class in evil. As such, the true final exam was to steal the final exam, and only one of my students passed. Dr. Eggman.
How do you like me now? I did it! Oh, no, what the hell? You writers can't give me a break.
I hope we get to do more stuff next week.